The Pentagon said that U.S. forces intercepted and boarded another Venezuela-linked oil tanker in the Indian Ocean overnight. The vessel, named Veronica 3, was tracked by U.S. authorities from the Caribbean Sea to the Indian Ocean before being stopped and inspected, the Pentagon said in a statement on the social media platform X. Ship tracking and maritime data websites identified the Veronica 3 as a Panama-flagged oil tanker. Just a week ago, the U.S. military pursued a Venezuela-linked oil tanker named the Aquila 2 from the Caribbean and boarded it in the Indian Ocean. U.S. President Donald Trump then ordered what he described as a total and complete blockade of all U.S.-sanctioned oil tankers entering or leaving Venezuela in December. The blockade has continued following the U.S. raid and capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro on January 3, 2026.